Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Residence Inn Durham Research Triangle Park. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free parking, non-smoking rooms, family rooms and a fitness center. This hotel has modern rooms with kitchen facilities, a fitness center and an outdoor pool. It offers grocery shopping and laundry services. Duke University is 12 miles away. All rooms have a fully equipped kitchen fitted with an oven, stove and a fridge. Kitchen utensils and a dishwasher are provided for each accommodation. Residence Inn Durham Research Triangle Park's rooms feature a fireplace and are fitted with cable TV and pay TV. Each one has a well-lit work desk with an ergonomic chair and access to electrical outlets. Residence Inn Durham is 3.6 miles from the streets at Southpoint Mall. Downtown Durham is a 15-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.